Welcome back to another DIY. What I have here is so I have a 14-inch foam board, and then I have a 12-inch metallic silver tray from the Dollar Tree. And what I have done, I have numbered it out, I found my center point, and I found my 12, my 12, 3, 6, and 9. And I marked it out on here. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to make a clock. And I have my little mechanism right here. And I'm going to use these spoons that came from that other DIY that I did earlier today. And forks. So I got it in my head how it's supposed to look, but I'm still trying to put it together. Okay, so now that my hot knife is hot, I do know that I want to put a hole in here. So I'm going to make sure I got my metal plate here in the right spot. Find my center. And only get to cut once because I only got one of these trays here. So right through it. I want to make sure I go right. Okay, so I got my hole in the middle here. And I also have my hole right here in the middle of my foam here. Okay. And I wanted to make sure that I have enough, that my hole is big enough for me to put my mechanism in it. Okay, so what I've done here is I've glued the middle part on here. So I have my back attached. I've also hot glued it to this part, the tray part right here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint this white part here. I think I'm going to paint it black. So stay tuned. Okay, so I'm just painting around a circle. That's all I'm doing. Just painting around here. I'm not too much worried about the edges yet. I'm going to come back and do them. Because what I did is I marked my marks that are on the front. I marked them on the back. So I'll know where my places is. So I'm just going to keep painting this here. And when I get done, I'll be back. So this is what I have so far. I just painted with the black pearl around the base here. And I'm going to let that dry. When that dries, I'm going to come back. So it shouldn't take no more than about 20 minutes. And then I'll finish it. Stay tuned. Metallic serving tray that I got from the Dollar Tree. And this is foam board. And I have glued this on here. I have my clock mechanism on here that's already glued in. And then I have my hands already on here. Now what I have done is went around here and put this bling on here. Now I am going to put my forks and spoons on here. So, and I have my 12, 9, 6, and 3 already marked on the back here. If you guys can see that. So let me find my 12. And here's my 12 right here on this one. Put a little mark on it while I get my glue together. So what I'm doing is I'm putting super glue from the Dollar Tree, which is the Fix All. Put a little of that Fix All on the tip here. And I'm putting a little glue. A little hot glue. 9, which is right here. Little dab of glue. And a little dab of hot glue. And I'm going to stick that right here. So, you see we have the 12, 6, we have the 12, 3, 6, and 9 on here. So I'm going to give these a second to dry and I'll be back. Okay, now that it's dry, I think I am going to go ahead on and cut the points off of my spoons. So, to make it a little bit shorter than my actual forks. So I am going to cut it a little short, because I don't want it to run up against my hands either. So let me go ahead on and cut these off. Okay, y'all, I'm sorry I'm late coming back, but I was trying to find me a battery, and I thought I had one. I don't know what I did with the batteries that go in here that I took out of here. So I'm going to have to get me some more tomorrow. But this is my clock here. Okay. It has the battery clock mechanism right here. And I took one out of here because I took this off of another clock that I made last year. And now I don't know what I did with the battery. So this is what it's looking like now so far. Hope you guys can see it and it's not much side. Because this is raised here, I wanted to put some blocks on here. That's what I was going to do. Put some blocks around here on 3, 6, and 9, and 12. But this is how it looks. So let me know if you guys think that I need to put the little diamond pieces on here anywhere, or just leave it like this. Is it blinged out enough? So let me know. This is what it looks like. And I have this little hanging hook back here. Let's see where the top is. This is how I'm going to put this on here. I'll put some glue on the back of it. Some super glue. And I'm going to go. Okay. So that's going to dry and I am done with this. Okay. This is the final look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Have a good night.